In this quick video, I just wanted to show you inside of the One Funnel Away Challenge digital version, which is now a possibility. So instead of paying an extra $20 to $30, depending on where you are in the world, to have everything shipped out to you in book format, MP3 format, workbooks, all this amazing stuff that you get with the One Funnel Away Challenge, you can opt out of that and just pay $100 to get access to all of this. It's incredible. Okay, so it starts with welcome to OFA, and this is where you'll actually get your welcome message introducing you to what's included in the challenge, the 30-day challenge. So then you've got the OFA mission control for June. This is what actually gets delivered every single day. You'll have a new mission added into this members area. There's 3 places where you access the content for what you need to do every day for 30 days. One of them is through a Facebook group, the other one is through Messenger bot, and of course inside of this members area as well, you're in control of it. But you do need to be aware that at the end of the 30 days this content will disappear, so it's really important to be actually taking action every day. Commit at least an hour a day to work through the process of learning all about direct response marketing, what sales funnels can do, how to actually create and build a funnel that works as a 24/7 salesperson for you. It is really the most incredible training you can get. But even if you were to join, like I did over 2 weeks ago, been able to get access to everything else in here, including the bonus 30days.com summit. So what happened in, I think it was September or October 2018, they ran a summit on 30 days where they'd asked 30 Two Comma Club winners, which means every single person here has made over $1 million with one of their funnels. And they asked them what they would do if they had to start again, if they literally had to go back. All they had was a ClickFunnels account and just the knowledge that they have. What would they do for 30 days to get everything back if they lost it all? So you've got a video interview, and then there's a 30-day plan download that you can click on to actually get each individual entrepreneur's 30-day plans. But the key part, this is the one that was just, oh my God, it was worth its weight in gold, was this behind the scenes. They actually let you go in and have a look at their funnel that actually made them $1 million. That is just so insightful to see what it takes. For us, it was a case of seeing how much we overcomplicate things. Most of these $1 million funnels were really super simple. And this is one to really take notice of because this guy is the #1 affiliate for ClickFunnels. So he actually even lays out his whole entire plan of if he had to do it all again, what he would do. So that's the first aspect to being an affiliate for ClickFunnels, is looking at Spencer Meacham's bonus 30 days. But then they've gone and added this amazing thing here. This is what I'm really promoting myself, because the affiliate bootcamp is gold. I am absolutely all about leveraging income, leveraging time. Even if you have the grand plan of writing a book, creating your own coaching program, running retreats, having your own sort of entrepreneurial stamp, nothing beats having the foundation built of a regular income coming in from some work that you do just once. And my challenge to you is that if you do this work over the next 100 days with my help, then having this foundation built allows you not only to springboard into anything else you're wanting to do because you have all this knowledge by going through the One Funnel Away Challenge, getting my help as well, but you've got this regular recurring income, which you really do need. You really don't want to have to bootstrap like I did in building your own information products, coaching programs, retreats, etc. It's nice to be able to know that there's this income coming in, all from learning the process of direct response marketing and particularly affiliate marketing. So this is the golden part here. So you actually get access to the whole entire affiliate bootcamp, which is a separate membership course. I'll just show you that one now. So, and just like the 30 Days Summit, they sort of give this really good overview where you've got your, in this case, there's 16 different entrepreneurs that walk through what they would do over a 100-day period to create their affiliate income into a full-time income, and they have a behind-the-scenes look at what it is that they've actually done to create their affiliate funnels. So hugely important, hugely invaluable. And then on top of that, you actually get access to the Affiliate Bootcamp book, where if you do upgrade and want it shipped out to you, you'll get it, but you've got a digital version of it here. And this book is full of the 100-day plans of each of these people. So if you want to learn affiliate marketing 101, how to become a super affiliate, how to actually have your dream car paid for by ClickFunnels, it's incredible what you actually get access to. The only negative side of all of this is that for $100 you get so much, it can potentially be overwhelming. That is why I'm here to guide you through the 100-day period, starting with the 30 days of the One Funnel Away Challenge. So if you're watching this video after the June One Funnel Away Challenge happens, don't worry, there'll be another one coming up. I dare say probably in August. We won't have the dates until that comes around. They run about every 6 to 8 weeks. And every time you take part in it, you need to pay $100 again to do it. And many people do it, time and time again, just to get more and more clarity out of it, because there is a lot to do over 30 days. But there are people that just do it once. They go and get themselves into the One Comma Club, which is to reach their first $1,000 online. So it'd be nice to actually, tenfold your investment of $100 to get $1,000 out just by purely going through and taking action on this. And I'm giving you everything. I'm even giving you a funnel that will allow you to tenfold your $100 investment, actually even 100-fold. So not only is this the goal, this is the website. So basically we're going to lay out everything you need to do to earn $10,000 in commissions, set up your $1,000 a week recurring income, and qualify to have the lease paid on your dream car. This is our 100-day challenge. You come through, you apply, and of course this is the actual website that we give you. This is the funnel that you get. So all of these pages are fully created for you. Now, creating these sorts of websites, we easily charge over $2,000 for somebody to actually have this built out. You get this absolutely for free so that you can literally just learn what I'm teaching in driving traffic to the start of this particular funnel in order for you to achieve these goals. And this is all on top of getting everything you get inside of the One Funnel Away Challenge, with having access to the 30 days behind the scenes of all these different people that have made over $1 million with just one funnel, and on top of the bootcamp as well. It's just incredible. I don't know what else it is that needs to be done other than taking action. So I really do look forward to helping you through the One Funnel Away Challenge, giving you this actual funnel to use and have something to go through the challenge, which will make life so much easier. The only thing that has actually held people up through the challenge has been when they haven't known what it is that they're wanting to market. If you can put your training wheels on with a full-fledged marketing funnel in place, then you really do get to take advantage of this challenge and reach that $1,000 as quick as possible. And then over the 100 days, we go on to reaching the $10,000 and the $1,000 a week recurring income. This to me is the main goal. This $1,000 a week recurring income is a game changer, and it allows you to springboard or to launch into any other thing you're wanting to do online, particularly if you're a travel blogger and you really just want to focus on having your blog content going out, knowing that you're getting paid really well to run your blog, all because of the work you did over a 100-day period. Okay, so that's it for me. If you've got any questions, reach out, and we look forward to seeing you inside of the challenge and helping you out along the way, and of course giving you that amazing funnel as well. Thanks for watching.